Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to convert WPS Office to PowerPoint. First, open your WPS program. Once you've opened the program, for you to create a PowerPoint presentation, you need to go say slides. You can also say create from a template, and you can choose a specific template that you like, but for now, I'll use blank. And here, that's when you can give a title to your presentation or your project. So let's just say WPS to PowerPoint. And for you to save this as a PowerPoint file, just go to Save File, then click on Save As, then scroll down to where it says Microsoft PowerPoint Presentation. Click on it. And here is where you can save on the cloud. And down here, that's where you can save in your local computer. So you can click on the specific document that you want it to be saved. And then after this, click on Save and you're done.